right, guys, I got a brand new Mul-T-Lock interactive from Ted Park. It was brand new in the bag. I just cracked it out. It came with 2 brand new keys, and I don't know if Ted picked this one out special by looking at the keys for the bag or not, but you can see we got a very, well, almost the highest cut hiding behind almost the lowest cut. So it's going to be a little trouble getting access to that guy. And he gave me the security card in case you want to have more keys made, but hopefully we don't need no stinking keys. Now, what I will tell you, I have been using this multi-pick kit almost exclusively, but this is a Mul-T-Lock, and I had to add another pick. This is actually left over from the Sauber kit. I had taken one of their picks and modified it into just a really fine tip like that. And the reason I had to do that is because these are pin and pins, and I needed something to be able to reach up on the inside of the pin, and none of these would do it. So what I'm probably going to do is buy another handle, buy another flat pick, and then shape it like this to have a pure multi-pick kit. Anyway, let me go ahead and clamp this guy up. I am going to use, and make sure I will be using Melvin Kalsnofsky's kick holder. I'm going to clamp it up, and let's see if we can't get this dude picked open. All right, guys, I took a second to read this. This is actually a padlock core. It rotates 90 degrees. I read Ted's letter, and he says, this is from a batch of Mul-T-Locks that he's found exceptionally difficult to pick. So it may be a form of challenge lock, but maybe straight from the factory. I've drawn a line, little black magic marker, so if we get a fault set or when we get hung up on those inner pins, we should get a pretty significant faults set. So before I put any tension on it, I'm going to run this down there to find out, to get an indication of the spring tension on the pins, to find out which are more resistant than others. 1 is pretty resistant. So is 2. 3 is easy. 4 is easy. 5 is pretty stiff. So at least those 3 should give you an indication of the length of the pins. It's not carved in stone. There could be weirdness in the pins, but sometimes it works out. All right, I'm going to apply moderate tension, and I already know, because I just felt it, pin 1 is probably going to bind with the slightest of tension, and it does. So let's just put very slight tension and get by pin 1 here. Nice click. Maintain our tension. There's 2 slid right under him. Pin 3 giving me counter rotation. Nice, I'll take it. Pin 4, I'm going to lighten up on the tension, just slide the pick under him to position him, then we'll pick him. No, we won't. I think that, oh, wait a minute, we are getting counter rotation there. But I'm stuck. Come on out of there. Where are you? Come on. Where were you stuck? Was that 4 or 3? That was 3. 3 is back down. Counter rotation again. Slight click. I'll take it. That was 3. That looked like counter rotation on, I think it was 2. Yep. Come on, there's 2. There's 3 again, fell back down. Counter rotation on 5. I can't reach high enough with this little bitty hook. I'm going to try, again, this is from the Sauber kit, but I'd like to use these guys, but the tip of these are designed for Mul-T-Locks, very narrow. So see if I can slide him back there. I may have to make one of these for my multi-pick kit. So now we have a very deep fault set. If I can get that pick out of there. Come on out. Well, I may have to pick my way out. Come out, come out, come out. Yeah, I'm going to have to pick my way out of here, guys. The pick is all turned now the wrong way. I'm going to shove him all the way in and try to rotate him all the way to the right. Dang it, he's really stuck. The joys of Mul-T-Locks. There we go. Whoa, put him away. We're not going to play with him anymore. All right, let's get this flat flag. Pin 3, counter rotation, has set. Pin 4, let me squeeze under him again. And I think 5 is the one we just went through all that pain with. Wait a minute, what do we got here? Pin 5, counter rotation. That's the inner pin. I don't have a choice, guys. We got to go with the curved flag to get high enough back there. So again, with this from the Sauber kit, and we're going to get stuck again. I'm going to pick my way in. Let's see if we can find anybody else giving me counter rotation. No. I can't even get him under pin 4. There we go. Come on. I think we got him, but we lost that fault set. There we go. We got a very deep fault set now. That was pin 3. That was pin 2 inner pin. I've really lightened up on the tension because we are working on, I believe now, inner pins. And there we go. I will take it. All right, I think the problem on this one was almost exclusively the bitting, Ted. I don't know if all the locks are bitted the same as this one, but that last one back there, very, very high cut, and getting past those two was really difficult, forcing me to use a curved pick, which then got stuck on those two low cut ones. Anyway, enough flapping my lips. Let's take this guy out of here. I don't know if we are zoomed in. I don't think we are. All right, let's put him right here. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Move all this stuff out of here, and we will gut him. Keep a key. Get all this out of here, and we will take this guy. All right, so let me take these screws out. Okay, there's the key. Oh, too far, Bill. Right there. So all of our pins are located on this side, and you can see them through the little holes in the side here. Put this over here like this. We need a follower. I am not going to turn it quite that much. I'm going to turn them like that. And see if we can get this follower to do its job. All right, I had a ball bearing fall out of the bottom. There we go. We're just going to put him in chamber number 7 here, and the rest of these guys. Pull that key out. All right, so here we go. There's an anti-drill in the front there that is not a pin, but the first one is pin and pin. 2, 3, 4. Oh, very nice. And 5. Okay, nothing weird inside of there. I didn't expect it. They don't usually because they don't have to. Again, anti-drills in the side here. Nothing else weird about it. Okay, we'll set him right here, and let's take a look at the pins upstairs. Tweezers. Don't worry about that pin, Bill, or that spring. Spool. Okay, dump him. Just dump it, Bill. There we go. Hey, he even fell in the right slot. How lucky is that? Another spool. Another spool. And the last one, let's pull them out from this side. Oh, wait a minute. Let's get that spring, Bill. Ah, okay, let's not. There's a spool. So we had 5 spools upstairs. No other weirdness. All right, we're looking at 5 spools. Downstairs we have standard with a little serration on the top of them. All of these had this little serration in the top. And on the pins themselves, I don't see any real weirdness. Here's a spool. This, and I am going to need some of you guys to help me out here. I have never seen one of these before. This looks like a pin-in-pin, a telescoping pin. I don't know if you see that or not, but it actually came apart. A 2-piece key pin. Yeah, wonderful. And let's see, that was in 4, so that was in that very deep cut. That may be part of the problem too, Ted. Maybe this is a new style pin, maybe not. I'm not an expert on Mul-T-Lock, so I can't say for sure. Anyway, there you go, guys. All spools on top, 1 spool on bottom, and you got this multi-piece jobber right here. Anyway, Ted, I appreciate... Oh, give you guys a close look. That's what we're looking at. Ted, appreciate you sending this to me. I'm sorry it took so long, and I have no clue. I wish I could ID that. Maybe one of you guys can put it down inside the comments. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal. 11 minutes? Jeez.